The Arturia KeyLab 61 mk3 Black feels like a solid centerpiece for a studio, with a sturdy build and a responsive 61-key keybed that includes aftertouch for expressive playing. Its performance pads are sensitive to both velocity and pressure, making finger drumming and clip launching feel dynamic rather than stiff or mechanical. The combination of multiple encoders, faders, and dedicated transport controls gives you hands-on access to your digital audio workstation without constantly reaching for a mouse. Integration with Arturia software instruments, especially the included Analog Lab Pro, means you get a huge palette of classic and modern sounds ready to play as soon as you connect it. Connectivity is well thought out with a modern universal serial bus Type-C port and dedicated inputs for sustain and auxiliary pedals to expand real-time control. Despite its generous control surface, the layout is clean and intuitive, so it does not take long to navigate sounds, tweak parameters, and build full arrangements.